Hope you're all doing well wherever you're watching me from. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You're very much welcome. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can get notified each time I make a new video. Okay, today guys, I won't take much of your time. I want to show you something really good. You see my face, the way my face is looking. I know maybe there's someone who also has a face that looks like mine. My face is a bit dry. I haven't applied anything on it right now, and there's a treatment that I'm starting today that I want to do, and I thought I would share before I do it, so that in case you're interested, you can also do this treatment. Then we see how it goes. After about 3 days, I'll come back and show you so that you can see how it goes. Now, we all know the benefits of aloe vera. So I want to show you how to use aloe vera to make your face. I actually read about this somewhere and I decided to go and try it. So you may wonder, where will you get the aloe vera and how does it look like? So I just want to show you how aloe vera looks like. Then I'll show you where to get it, and then we proceed. So this is an aloe vera. Nilienda kwa soko and I bought a very big one. This is an aloe vera plant. This is how it looks like. I bought this one at 50 shillings. Didn't take a lot of money, just 50 shillings. So I'm going to show you how to use it, the process yote vile utatumia, how to get the juice, because what you need is the juice, aloe vera juice. So I'll show you how to get aloe vera juice out of this. Then I'll apply aloe vera juice on my face. You will see how I do it. Then pia wewe uende ujaribu, si ndio? Haya. Sasa I'll look for the juicy one, the one that looks a bit juicy. Zingine naona zimeanza kuwither, so I'll go for this one and just pluck it. Be careful. So una pluck, you be careful usidungwe na mtoto mwiba. Ikikataa vile yangu imekataa, just use a knife and cut. So cut there like that. Yes, now here is my aloe vera leaf. Here's my aloe vera leaf. That's how it looks. So I don't need much. I just need a small piece. So I'll cut like here. This is enough. Na ni kali, by the way. So after this, unaosha mkono vizuri. It's very bitter. So I need just a size like this one. And then ndio nisiguaruke uso, nitatoa hizi. Just slice hapa kando hivi. Nitoe hiyo. Tena slice hapa kando, nitoe. Hata juice imeanza kutoka. And then with my knife nitakata hapa katikati. Like this. Yes, that is it. Now I have my aloe vera juice inside here. I can even do this with a knife. So this is what I need. Let me show you vizuri. See that shiny thing inside there? That's what I need for my face. And that's what you will also need for your face. Aya, tuende kazi. This. In circular motion. Make sure ulishaosha uso. Mimi nilishaosha yangu. Uso yako iko safi. Then apply. imeisha. Tapaka hapa juu vizuri in circular motion. Just like that. Aloe vera is also good for your hair. Aloe vera is good in removing marks from your face. Aloe vera is good in making your face bright, brightening your skin. But here it also brightens hair, gives it that dark shiny look. Ukali ndio iko nayo sana, but the benefits outweighs the ukali, so you just unafanya tu unakuwa sawa. Umeparara parara hapo, fanya hivyo unakuwa smooth. Haya, so we'll wait for about 3 to 5 minutes. Isikai sana kuzua inawasha. Isikai sana kwa uso. 3 to 5 minutes. Hata nasikia imeshaanza kuniwasha. 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'll wash my face. So let's wait for 3 to 5 minutes. I'm back. So I'm back, guys. I think my face inakaa vizuri, si ndio? Yeah, now it looks better. So unaona nimeacha utoto maji. I want to show you how to dry your face. By the way, usioshe na sabuni. I almost wash mine na sabuni, inawasha. I almost wash mine na sabuni, lakini usioshe na sabuni. So I want to show you unafanya hivi. This is called pat drying. With your face towel, you just do this. Just pat dry. Just pat dry. Pole pole. Treat your face. Treat face yako vizuri kama mayai. Pole pole. Hivyo. Pole pole kama mayai. Ndio isikae iko na skills. Sawa guys. That's it for today. I'll be doing this for 3 days. Asubuhi, jioni, asubuhi, jioni, asubuhi, jioni for 3 days. So that is 6 applications. Then I'll come back and show you how my face looks after 6 applications. Sawa. So enjoy your day, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I will really appreciate it. You're much welcome. Thank you. Bye.